If you were born on the 5th, the 14th, 23rd, or through Lifepath 5, your life will be a reflection of your ability to adapt to change. And this because the 5 is the number of transformation. And so as a 5, your life will always be continuously ever changing. And 5s themselves are ever changing as well, continuously. And so as a 5, don't be down on yourself because you can't consistently stick to the same thing for too long without burning out. That is just how you're wired. There is nothing that you can do about that. And so the only way that you can use this fast-paced energy that burns out really quickly to your advantages as 5 is by finding quick solutions to your problems. And so 5s can't find the solution to their problems in the same way that everyone else does because 5s have a very fast-paced, short-term type of energy. A 5 can't consistently pay attention for something for long periods of time without losing interest or without finding a different goal to set after. And so a big problem that 5s go through is that when a 5 is going after a goal and they can't make something happen or make something shake fast enough, or they're not able to accomplish their goal quick enough, they'll burn out and they'll just set another goal. And then when they're trying to go after that, they'll burn out again and they'll set another goal. And so many 5s, they'll just run around in circles their entire lives, just chasing goals until they burn out. As a 5, understand that there is no goal that you cannot accomplish, but you cannot do it the same way that everyone else does it or the same way that we were taught to do it. You have to do it in a shorter span of time. And so 5s are geniuses. And what makes them geniuses is their ability to solve problems and the speed that they do. And the reason why they're able to solve problems that fast is because that's how their energy works. And so as a 5, understand that when something is not working the way that you want it to, instead of just changing your goal when you burn out, just change your approach, change the method, because 5s are learning that there's multiple ways to do something. There are multiple solutions to a problem. There are multiple ways to skin a cat. And so through trial and error as a 5, you will eventually figure it out. You just can't do the same thing for the same goal for too long or else you're going to burn out. And so you just have to keep trying different things for the same goal until one thing works. And so as a 5, understand that failure is not a no. Failure is not a closed door. Failure is just data. It's just information that you can collect and use to get to the next step or get to the next level. All those failures and all those setbacks that you're going through as a 5, it's just you understanding what doesn't work. And so as a 5, understand that failure is not a bad thing. Now you know what does not work. And now you can try something else. And so be happy that that thing that you tried didn't work. Now you can try something else because you don't like doing the same shit for too long. You'll get tired of it. To book a reading or to access my numerology book, go to my website, isaiah47.net, and you can also find that in the link in my profile bio. Now have a great rest of your day.